What's going on, Smart Rapper Gang? Rob Level here. Obviously, this is Smart Rapper. You're gonna love this video. In this video, you're gonna learn the 6 things that your rap career is missing out on. And I say your because it's most artists, okay? So once you apply these things, you know these things, it's really going to accelerate your music career. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, the first thing that most artists' music careers are missing out on is not having an LLC so that you can write off everything that you buy for your music career, including promo, everything on taxes.
Yes, sir!
If you buy a microphone, it's tax writable. If you buy a computer to record your music, it's tax writable. That means it's tax-free, okay? And if you buy anything that you need in order to do anything for your music in your career, it is tax writable, okay? So this means if you buy, say, Smart Rapper Masterclasses, you buy the music industry shortcut program, anything that you get from me, tax writable, okay? You can buy your entire studio, pay for your music promotion, tax writable. Anything that you need to make money to grow your business to the government is considered tax writable because you could not make money without it, okay? You know the saying, it takes money to make money? The government knows this, okay? They want you to have as much money as possible so that you can use that money to make more money. All right, because when you are making more money, eventually they get to take more money from you on taxes.
Y'all can't see it's up.
So if you get to spend $10,000 this year writing off stuff on taxes, that's fine, because if next year you're gonna make $30,000, you see what I'm saying? And then the next year, they want you to grow. They can't really tax a company that's not really making money. That's why they let you write off stuff on taxes. They'd rather you be making $100,000 and paying taxes on that than you not growing your business and only making $10,000. You get me?
Yes,
a couple
sir.
examples there. Real quick, everything in this room, including the camera I'm shooting on, is completely tax writable. Every single solitary thing in this video, okay? And it's because I need it in order to be a music artist. And number 2, I need it in order to run Smart Rapper for you guys and girls, okay? So you can write off your stuff on taxes too. You just need to understand how it works. It's really simple, okay? And that's also why inside of the music industry shortcut, I give you Broke to Boss mode, which shows you how to establish your LLC entity in any state and write off everything that you ever buy on taxes, okay? That's what I made it for. And it's way easier to understand than you possibly realize, okay? And if you want to check that out, musicindustryshortcut.com/taxes. Make sure you hit me with a like so I know if you guys are actually liking this stuff so I can make more of it like this for you, okay? The second thing you're missing out on is not knowing how to build a network that will actually gain you fans. Not just like a network to like have connections to stuff, but you know, you need to understand how to network properly. Networking by simply spending 15 minutes a day DMing artists in your city will help. Now, nobody ever uses this website, but you can use it for this, Reverb Nation, okay? .com, if you can go look for artists in specific areas, search for their name and their Instagram and Google, and then DM them and connect with them. If you connect with even one new person a day, that's 30 new rappers you know in 30 days. This means it's like less than 2 minutes a day. Go look, DM. That's 30 collabs. That means you have 30 different fan bases you can gain exposure to. And you can get known in your city. People don't think about these little things, and they all add up. And in the beginning, all you have, because you may not have money and all these other resources, all you have is these little things, okay? Your time is your equity investment into yourself as a business. That's called sweat equity. That's what makes you so valuable later. I'm not gonna go super deep into that, but you need to do these little things, okay? Go look for artists in your area. It's not hard, all right? You can gain a lot of fans and be famous in your area. Number 3, missing out on gaining fans every single day. You need to only spend 15 minutes a day going out there and talking to new people to start gaining fans. This tip also goes along with the last one, so it's a double whammy that you can knock out 2 birds with 1 stone.
Bing bong.
So look at this. While you're searching for artists in your city to collab with, when you go to their pages to DM them, well, after you DM the artist, go through the artist profile. They're in your city, right? Well, look to see who's following them or whoever is actively leaving comments on their post related to music that they post, because chances are those are probably people in the city, in your city, okay? If you DM those people and you say, hey, are you a fan of, and put, you know, the artist name right there. I'm from the same city as, put the artist name again, and then say, I think if you like his or her music, you're gonna like mine as well, all right? And then you can also say this, I'm thinking about seeing if they want to collab with me. Let me know if you want us to do a collab. So there's a lot of psychological factors that are super useful for that. Then you can take a screenshot of their fans saying that they want to see a collab between you two in order to convince the artist how their own fans already want to see the collaboration happening. Smart rapper, okay? Combining these two is a really smart rapper move, all right? Really quick, if you can hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me so that we can keep getting further faster together. That's it, let's get back to the video. Number 4, making money by having your business established. A lot of artists don't realize how much money they're losing simply by not setting up things like song trust. I like saying this, you gotta think about it, the fear of it, right? You're losing money. You're actually, there's money that could be in your hands that you're losing, that you're throwing in the garbage. If you don't set up song trust, you don't set up your ASCAP or your BMI, all right, or any, you know, performance rights organization, or if you don't set up, you know, your music on streaming platforms, DistroKid, whatever you happen to use, okay? Now this is important to do because you get to take all the money that you make and run this through your LLC that I show you how to create, okay? I can't go super in depth on that, but again, you can go to musicindustryshortcut.com/taxes and it'll bring you to how to set up everything, and I'll show you how to do all that stuff, okay? Number 5, you're missing out on having thousands of new fans by not having your dream catcher set up. And what a dream catcher is is the thing that allows you to actually capture anybody that's ever touched your Instagram, anybody's ever touched the landing page, anybody's ever touched any YouTube video you've ever made, because you can store them in a list for 540 days. That's a year and a half, okay? And that means that later on when you release new music, or anytime you release new music, you can just target your new music to those people who you know have already been on your stuff. That's why I call it the dream catcher. You're catching the people that can help you make your dreams. Okay. Number 6, you need to know how to set up ads and set up ad assets to promote your music and growth by using Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and especially, which you hear me talking all the time, YouTube ads. That's how I got 10 million views on one of my music videos. I get 1 million views on every one of my music videos I release, okay? All right, well, you already know that, okay? musicindustryshortcut.com/hookup, because I'll hook you up with stuff on there, okay? You can get a $500 free YouTube ads credit. It means that you get $500 in free ads. Yes, Google gives it to you. Anyways, you've already heard me say this, but make sure you actually start doing this, because you're missing out if you're not. Hence the title of this video. Number 7, not having an email list set up or a text list. It's super stupid easy to set this up, and you've heard people say, so why haven't you done it yet? I'm talking about like less than 15 minutes of work. If you don't have this set up, what the are you doing? Okay, in the music industry shortcut, we show you how to set up everything like this in the first month. We even show you how to set up ads when the time comes. Everything like that. That's what the music industry shortcut is for. musicindustryshortcut.com. Anyway, email list, text list, that's gonna capture those people, and you have direct ownership of all of the data that comes in. You now have that phone number. You now have their email. That you have those forever. People don't change their emails. You can contact this fan 5 years from now. You have their contact. You get me? How often do people change their phone number stuff? That's why you want this. You have 1,000 of these. You can send one text blast out. You have 1,000 people paying attention to every new song you release. Imagine when it's at 10,000. And number 8, what your music career is missing out on, is the music industry shortcut.
What the f are you doing?
The thing is that every week you're gonna learn something new. You also have hundreds and hundreds of other artists just like you working together. And this is where they work together. It's where they collaborate. It's where they share ideas. They share resources. And then you have the ability to get in our Discord group, in our Telegram group. And then you get a masterclass that's worth a minimum of $47 a week every week you're in there. And if you're on diamond level, you can get a call with me 2 times a week. Hour calls. Usually they go way longer than that, but 2 times a week, and you ask me any question you want. Like, stupid, crazy valuable, because I usually charge $1,500 an hour to do a live call.
Shit.
If you want a one-on-one with me, okay? So think about how valuable that is, plus the masterclass, all right? If anything, you need to at least check it out. So look, I'm gonna give you a list here, okay? As a reminder of what they are, below this video, there's gonna be a link on how to learn how to write everything off on taxes in there, okay? And how to set up your LLC. There's gonna be the link to be able to capture your fans in order to be able to get all those people into a list so that you have them even before you even release a song, really. You be able to start capturing those people who hit your Instagram, right? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rap. Hit me with a subscribe and hit me with a like if you're liking this info and you want me to release more of it. Also, thank you all so much for all of your support. Everybody who not only is a Smart Rapper fan, but also is a fan of my music, doing crazy numbers, got all these Spotify plaques, got more Spotify plaques coming. Just shot 34 music videos, got all these videos set up for the next 2 years. You guys know I'm not playing. I'm an artist like you, I'm just further. And I teach you where I learn as I go. So you support me, I learn more, and I help you. That's how this works. That's how this is the ecosystem here, all right? I'm Rob Level, the Smart Rapper. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
I've been breaking, flipping shit all day.